Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Valorant language to Japanese. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. All you have to do is go ahead and open up Valorant, or you can go to Riot Games also. But on Valorant itself, you'll want to go on settings right there, click on settings, and then go on general, then accessibility. And as you can see, there's text language, so you can go ahead and change it. So the Japanese will look like this, as you can see. So all you have to do is find it in your settings. So on settings, again, let's go to our accessibility mode. Just like so. And now, as you can see, here it is. This is the Japanese language. That's how you change it from English. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.